The P0058 code means H2S heater control circuit high, bank 2 sensor 2. It indicates the engine control module detected abnormally high voltage in the heater circuit of the downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2 sensor 2. Bank 2 is the engine side without cylinder 1. Sensor 2 is located after the catalytic converter. The heater warms the sensor for accurate air-fuel ratio readings. As of 2025, this code is still prevalent, especially in older ICE vehicles. Common symptoms of a P0058 code include an illuminated check engine light, indicating a problem detected by the vehicle's computer. Reduced fuel efficiency occurs as the engine cannot optimize the air-fuel mixture properly. Rough idling may happen because the oxygen sensor is not heating correctly, leading to unstable engine operation. Potential failure of emissions tests, as the sensor's inaccurate readings affect pollution control. These symptoms stem from inaccurate sensor readings caused by the heater malfunction in the oxygen sensor. While non-emissions related in some areas, P0058 significantly impacts vehicle performance and can damage the catalytic converter if ignored. The most common causes of the P0058 code include a defective oxygen sensor, which accounts for 30 to 50% of cases. Wiring harness issues are another major cause, including chafing or shorts due to heat exposure. A faulty ECM relay can also trigger the code by failing to regulate voltage properly. PCM software glitches may cause incorrect voltage readings, though less common than hardware issues. Environmental factors like moisture and engine heat can worsen wiring faults, accelerating failures. A high voltage reading is typically caused by a short to battery, faulty relay, or harness damage. Begin by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0058 code appears in the vehicle's diagnostic system. Next, check the voltage at the sensor connector using a multimeter. The reading should be near 0 volts when the heater is off, and battery voltage of 10 to 12 volts when it's activated. Inspect the wiring harness for signs of corrosion, shorts, or open circuits that could cause the high voltage reading. Test the sensor's heater resistance, which should typically measure between 2 and 30 ohms to ensure proper operation. Finally, review freeze-frame data from the scanner to gain insights into ECM functionality and help identify the root cause. Start by visually inspecting the wiring harness leading to the oxygen sensor. Look for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires, melted insulation, or corroded connectors. Clean any corrosion with a wire brush. Apply dielectric grease to the connector. Ensure the connector is securely attached to the sensor. This is a common issue, especially in areas with road salt, as seen in Ford F-150 cases. If the wiring appears to be in good condition, test the oxygen sensor itself. Use a multimeter to check the heater circuit resistance. If the resistance is outside the specified range of 2 to 30 ohms, the sensor is likely faulty and needs replacement. Replacement sensors typically cost around $150. Remember to disconnect the battery before replacing the sensor to avoid electrical issues. Oxygen sensors are being integrated into broader vehicle health monitoring systems, while EVs reduce the need for traditional oxygen sensors. Predictive maintenance via telematics will likely decrease manual diagnostics. Future sensors may have nano-coated heaters for faster warm-up. Expert statistics show proactive harness sealing can prevent 80% of code recurrences. Neglecting P0058 can lead to costly catalytic converter damage.